this is yet another first for Arsenal Football Club, and today we're announcing our first ever sleeve partner, who will also become our official tourism partner. And we're delighted to be welcoming on board the Rwanda Development Board, who will be promoting the brand Visit Rwanda.
So Rwanda is very excited to partner with the Arsenal Football Club because we see a partnership that is going to have mutual benefits between our two organizations.
And the Visit Rwanda brand will be seen on the shirt sleeves of all of our teams, so our men's team, our women's team, and also all of our academy teams. And given the Arsenal shirt is seen over 35 million times every single day, we know through this partnership that Visit Rwanda will get a really broad global marketing exposure. We know that at Arsenal Football Club there's a strong affinity to the club from the people of Africa, and across the continent of Africa our fan base runs into the many hundreds of millions. So for us, when we had the opportunity to partner with Visit Rwanda, there seemed to be a very compelling fit. And of course Rwanda is a beautiful country with a multitude of visitor attractions. Through this partnership, Visit Rwanda have access to broad exposure rights, whether that is being on our shirt sleeve, on the perimeter advertising boards around the pitch at Emirates Stadium, or the interview backdrops that managers and players will be interviewed in front of. But more so than that, they have access to a broad range of marketing rights, which will help them engage with our fan base and to promote Rwanda. We're also going to be focused on running coaching clinics in Rwanda, whether that is for men, women, boys, girls, or even football coaches themselves, all in aid of trying to build football development in the country.